Are you tired of non-stick pans that don't last? Introducing the HexClad 12-inch hybrid pan, your solution for durable and effective cooking. This unique pan combines the best features of traditional non-stick and stainless steel, offering a powerful cooking experience. HexClad's innovative design features a triply laminated construction, making it induction compatible. The interior consists of 304-grade stainless steel, a heavy-gauge aluminum core for excellent thermal conduction, and a sturdy 430-grade steel exterior. The total thickness ensures professional-grade performance. What sets HexClad apart is its laser-etched honeycomb surface. This structural modification creates peaks and valleys, allowing metal utensils to be used without concern. The peaks withstand mechanical stress, while the valleys retain non-stick properties. This combination makes it truly metal utensil safe. In our laboratory testing, the HexClad pan reached 350 degrees Fahrenheit in just 142 seconds on an induction burner, showing impressive thermal recovery. While it has a slight thermal stutter, it's still close to top-tier stainless steel performance. Abrasion tests with a metal spatula confirmed HexClad's durability. After 10,000 cycles, the non-stick valleys were intact, proving its robust design against wear and tear. However, always use a bit of oil or butter for optimal food release. HexClad's dishwasher safe claim holds under high cycles, although handwashing is advised to maintain its longevity. Minor reduction in non-stick properties after washing was observed, but the steel peaks remained in pristine condition. In comparison with other brands, HexClad shows superior longevity and resilience against wear. The data indicates that it outperforms traditional non-stick, making it an excellent investment for cooking enthusiasts. Ready to elevate your kitchen game? Discover the HexClad 12-inch hybrid pan today. Check the current price on Amazon and experience the difference for yourself.